Hi everyone and welcome back. So there's a bad news for those people who were excited for upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung is going to announce their next foldable around the end of this month, and every day there is a new leak regarding Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung's upcoming foldable was rumored to have IP58, dust and water resistance, but now latest information from IC Universe says that it's not true. Yes, Samsung is once again skipping dust resistance for Galaxy Z Fold 5. This was the most requested upgrade, but sadly Samsung failed to deliver it. You will ask, what are the benefits of dust resistance? Well, dust resistance helps a foldable to open and close fully without any gap between the hinge. Galaxy Z Fold 4, for example, doesn't open fully when dust is accumulated in hinge after some time. This is a major problem with foldables, and those people living in dusty areas were really looking forward to this next foldable from Samsung. Now it seems that dust resistance will be coming as a feature for Galaxy Z Fold 6. But anyways, we have some more leaked images of upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5, and it shows that now there is no gap at all when the phone is closed. For comparison, a gap is present in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 when it is closed. Further, Samsung has also started One UI 5.1.1 beta program for Galaxy Z Fold 4 in South Korea. Users can now enter into beta program and test this upcoming One UI version from Samsung. One UI 5.1.1 will most likely have those features which will be present with One UI 6. I will try to download One UI 5.1.1 beta if it is available for the US Galaxy Z Fold 4 model. So coming to the end, Samsung's next foldable is not really a huge upgrade as we were thinking. Samsung is even skipping the dust resistance. Let's wait and see for any new information that pops up. Till then, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.